All right, the next thing we're looking at here is the 2024 Winnebago Minnie. It's the 2301BHS.
Brand new from the factory.
Yep,
Literally brand new from the factory. This is the latest one.
Yeah. Yeah, it really is, and you're going to notice that as soon as you walk in, you're going to see how fresh and new it looks, because we really just brought this in. It probably hasn't been here more than 3 days, I'd say. But yeah, first thing you're going to see on the outside here is they give you a nice outdoor kitchen. It's got the pull-out griddle on it. It's got some storage in the middle, and then you have the little refrigerator here, perfect for all the drinks you'd ever need out here. Nice full-size awning to cover the unit here, so you're going to get some living space out here as well. It has the electric jacks on it, so that's always a nice feature too. The jacks will go down, and then the solid surface steps. Once again, these are the best steps because they're, you're never going to feel wobbly. They're always going to be solid when you're.
Well, and again, even though this thing's only been here for 3 days, you've got incredible pricing on it.
Yeah.
I forget the rebate, but it's pretty insane. The factory joined us. We joined in.
Yeah.
You can get incredible pricing on this Winnebago today. So again, give Caden a call when he's done with this walkthrough.
Yeah.
Any questions you have, Caden? One question just came in from Chris. He wants to know what's the weight of this coach?
The weight on this coach is 6,773 pounds.
Can you tow it with a half-ton truck?
Yep, no problem pulling it with a half-ton truck. So yeah, we'll go ahead and jump inside. I'll show you all the cool features they're doing on the 24s. So this unit looks good. It's a light color with the dark cabinets. I mean, the good contrast there. This is kind of what everybody's going for now in their homes too. First thing I noticed is the way they're doing these slide outs now, it's flush. So Winnebago used to have them up a little higher, now they're making them flush. So that's real nice. You don't have to step up to get in your dinette or anything like that. Everything's gonna be kind of the same level. Right here is gonna be a refrigerator. So you have a nice size refrigerator here. You'll notice it's, you could fit just about anything you need for your camping trip there. Like I said, back to this contrast here, they're doing the dark cabinets with the light up top. So this just looks good. It looks clean. You're not going to see dirt on it too much. But yeah, nice entertainment and kitchen area. So yeah, this is a cool floor plan. But yeah, we'll go back here in the front bedroom here. So you'll notice on this front bedroom, you have plenty of room to walk around. So a full walk around bed, you can go all the way in here. You don't have to climb over each other or anything like that. You're getting storage up here, and then you also have storage on both sides of the beds here. These are little miniature closets. So you have a hanging rack up there. Outlets and USBs on both sides, so CPAP machines, phones, anything you really want to plug in or would need during your camping trip, you can have those right next to your bed. So yeah, we'll slide back in here. I'll show you the back of the unit here.
Yeah, check out that backsplash. Oh, this dinette's so comfortable. Check out that backsplash though. It goes all the way up, so you're going to be well protected whether you're cooking or doing dishes or whatever it is you're doing.
Yeah, no water touching
very well protected. Storage underneath that bottom bunk is incredible. Yeah. Tons of space. Two double bunk beds. Again,
two double bunk beds.
Space.
These are weighted for 300 pounds. So, no problem.
Built-in ladder's huge.
Yeah, the ladder's nice too because it's not hanging anywhere. You don't have to worry about tripping over it. It's built in there. That's a nice.
Believe it or not, some of them come without a ladder.
Yeah.
Which always amazes us. Like, all right, who's the person getting in the top bunk and how are they doing it? Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, this one comes with a ladder, and you also have kind of privacy shades on each one. A lot of them don't come with that, surprisingly. They'll just do the shades on the windows. This one actually has the shades on the bunk too, so you kind of giving some privacy there.
Give your kids some privacy.
Yeah. So we'll slide back in here in the bathroom. So nice shower right there, full-size shower just like you'd have at home, with some storage rack in the corner. And then that screen on the shower itself actually slides, so you don't have to worry about water dripping out or anything like that. It doesn't touch your wood. That's a real nice feature as well. You get a medicine cabinet above your sink. That's always nice to have. You can put all your toiletries up there. A nice toilet right there. Your knees aren't hitting anything, so it's just like being at home in the bathroom. There's a lot of room in this unit. So for the length and the size of it, this is a very spacious unit.
No, it really is. And again, they've just thought through storage in every possible place.
Yeah.
I'm looking underneath the bed from here, and you can see a cavernous storage as well.
Yeah.
JBL system again, which is known the world over. Just a really, really super nice coach.
Yeah, and if you slide over here too, I forgot to mention this, you also have this full-size pantry, closet, whatever you could use it for, but I mean, that's spacious right there too. That's
great place to put a broom and a dustpan.
Yeah, there you go.
Number one complaint people always say is, where do I put my broom? Where do I put my sweeper? This one's got it already figured out for you.